Hi guys, this is Abhishek here. I'm a developer at 29 Kreativ. We're gonna be starting the task in a few moments. Before we start the task, there are a few things that you should know. First of all, you will be allowed to use Google, YouTube, or any other search engine for that matter. You can search anything related to the task, whether it's code, whether it's tutorial, anything related to the task, you can definitely search for. In fact, it's encouraged. Now, you will be asked to share your screen throughout the task. So you have to keep your screen sharing on. Before you share your screen, please keep in mind to close off anything that is private and personal to you. For privacy reasons, close off anything that is private and personal to you since your screen will be visible to all throughout the task. Once you share your screen, we'll share the task in the chat and I'll also be explaining the task as well. Please keep in mind to share your entire screen, not just a tab, not just a window, your entire screen. If you face any issues whatsoever while sharing your screen, you have to unmute yourself, say your name, say what the issue is, will help you out. You can also send that in the chat as well. You can now start by sharing your screen.
Guys, please start sharing your screen. Once everybody share their screen, I'll share the task in chat. And do make sure you share your entire screen. Tarun Sharma, you have to share your entire screen.
Yeah, let me reshare.
Okay. Soumya, please share your screen.
1 minute, ma'am.
Okay. Nitin, please share your screen. Guys, the task is available in a chat. We'll start with the explanation in a moment. Okay.
Okay, guys. So important part is don't it's not a race. Don't need to be coming in first, second, or third. Just need to perform the task. Okay. So now task is don't it's not a race. Don't need to be coming in first, second, or third. Just need to perform the task. Okay. So now task is you have to send in a post request. It has to be sent to a URL. The URL is given in the first step. There are two parameters that you have to send along with this post request. Yeah, they are given in the second and the third pointer. They are name and code. In name, you have to send in any random name that you can think of. In code, you have to MD5 the name you chose. Okay, so name can be any name, Adhikar, Abhishek, Aman, Shuk, any name would work. In code, you have to MD5 the name you chose. The value would be MD5 of the name. So if you chose Aman, code would be MD5 of Aman. Okay. Then in the fourth pointer, you have to send in a bearer token in the header. The value for this bearer token would be same as the value of code. Whatever value of code that you calculated in the third step, you have to use the same value as bearer token as well. So name Abhishek, code MD5 of Abhishek, bearer tokens value MD5 of Abhishek if Abhishek is the name you chose. Now what is MD5? How to do MD5? That you can search for online. And it's also there in the hint, so you can check that out. Now the entire task can be performed in various ways. You can either code this task in using any language of your choice, or you can use numerous tools available online to send post requests. The easiest way to perform this task is to use a software called Postman. It is used for testing APIs and stuff. The name of the software is available at the end of the task. It is POSTMAN. You can either download this software or you can use a cloud version of this. Now, what we are looking for? We are looking for the responses that you'll get from this task. These responses will be in the form of levels. At each step, when you perform it correctly, you will reach a level. It will have a status along with it. It will help you get to the next level. Once you do the first 4 steps correctly, you will reach the final level. That is the level we are looking for. When you reach that level, you have to unmute yourself. You have to say your name. We'll come to your screen. We'll check if it is the right level. We'll ask you to leave the meeting. We'll contact you back. If it is not the right level, we'll guide you to the right level. At any point in the task, if you feel there is some explanation required of any pointer of anything else, if you have any doubt whatsoever, you can always ask. We'll help you out. You can now start the task.
And guys, now you can start the task.
Hello, excuse me.
Yeah, Chandan, go ahead.
It says my level is Titan, and can you please check?
So, Chandan, we are sending a meeting link in the chat. You have to join that one, and once you join that one, you can leave this one.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Can I continue doing this task in this meeting, or do I have to join a new meeting?
Uh, that was for Chandan. Just a minute.
Okay,
Tarun,
so I
you were
can
asking
continue
something?
here, right? Yeah, I
Yeah,
can
yeah.
continue in this
You're,
meeting, right?
yeah, 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 yeah.
All right, all right.
Chandan, please share your screen on.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Is it visible?
Chandan, please turn on your camera as well.
Sure.
Cool, guys. So you've done your task with Postman right now. Okay.
Yeah,
Now the same task will be available to you in the chat. Now you have to do it with a coding language of your choice.
sure.
Okay, so choose any language that you know of and then do the task in that language. Rest of the instructions would remain same. You can definitely use Google, YouTube, or any other search engine for that matter.
Sure.
Avoid using any AI tools altogether. Reason being, they are not that much good at the moment. They don't help you in production level issues. We've tried that, but they fail miserably. So for this particular task, we'll be avoiding them. Okay. Uh, Whatever language you choose, please send the name of the language in the chat, and then you can continue with the task.
Okay, okay, fine.
And again, all your research to be done on the device you've shared your screen on.
Okay, sir.
कितने लोग आ गए इसके अंदर?
share your screen and camera. Tarun, you have to share your screen and camera.
Anushka, I just joined this meeting. Can you please tell me what the task is?
I have completed the task. Can you please check?
Chandan, just one moment. Can you show me? Yeah, cool. Chandan, we are sending a meeting link in the chat. It will be available in a moment. Then you can join that and leave this one.
Okay.
Also, Tarun, you need to share your screen and your camera.
Yes, I'm sharing my screen, Abhishek.
And your camera, Tarun. Cool. So the task you've done previously was done using Postman. Now the same task will be available to you in the chat. You have to now do it with a coding language of your choice. Okay, you can choose any language that you know or would like to research upon and then share, basically do the task in that particular language. Okay, send the name of the language in the chat before starting. And please make sure you can use definitely Google. Your rest of the instruction will remain same in Google, YouTube you can use, but please avoid using any AI tools at the moment because they're not that good in order to solve production level problems. So we'll avoid them using altogether for this task as well. But you can definitely use Google and YouTube for, or any other search engine for that matter. Okay, you can now continue on with the task in any language that you think of and send the name of the chat and continue ahead. If you have any doubts, you can always reach out to us. Chandan, you can join the meeting link if it's available in the chat. Just wait for a while, it will be available soon.
Okay. Okay. Fine. No worries.
Chandan, the meeting link is available in the chat.
Yeah. Yeah. Joining.
Tarun, please share your screen.
The screen as well, please. So, Chandan, can you explain the code?
Yeah. Sure. Definitely. So, just a second. Am I audible properly?
Yeah, you're audible.
Okay. So basically, in line number 4, I have created a form
Okay.
data from using the form data API, and then
Okay.
I have appended the name and the
Yeah.
value HTML pair.
Right.
And this thing could have been done using any of inbuilt crypto or any library, but for simplicity, I have encrypted it using the web tool you have given, MD5 encryptor.
Right.
And
Mhm.
then I have basically used async await version of Axios post,
Right.
and in the first parameter is the URL of the your backend server, and second is
Right.
the form data. Third is the config inside the config option. I have used the authorization header inside the header object with
Okay, Chandan, you were not taking any references. You were just typing it, the code directly.
yeah.
So you remembered the code?
No, actually, I am already I have already worked in so many projects like since rest
Okay.
3 years. So These are the things I used to actually I thought because here VS Code was suggesting headers H capital, and
Okay.
I was like unsure. Still, I thought I should give it a try, and it worked in the first time.
Okay.
I could have done from here also, like I can also export from here, like in the code
Right.
section.
Yeah. 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 Cool, Chandan. You can disconnect for now, and Anushka will connect back with you for one-to-one interview.
Okay, okay, fine.
Okay.
So this is over, right?
Yeah. This one is over.
Okay, okay. Have a nice day. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay. You too as well. Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you soon.